Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new mini album to share with you. So let's take a look. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a new project. This one is using my October subscription box. So I'm gonna have the link below if you guys want to purchase the box as a standalone, because right now we're shipping the November box. And also if you're interested on only the video class, again I will have it all linked below. But for this book we are using the Bewitched collection by Prima. It is a beautiful Halloween collection. I just love how gothic and elegant. It's just so pretty, so I really love playing with this collection. So this book measures 7 inches by 6.5, and the inside pages are really interactive. All of the pages were designed for you to use your 6x6 paper collection. So if you have any 6x6 paper collection that you want to use, this is a great tutorial for that, and super easy, turned out really fun. On the cover here I am kind of playing around with this page from the collection, and I wanted this to look like the actual Bewitched book. I thought it was so fun to kind of double the page here. We have some like a wooden piece here on the back. Added some of the ephemera, these beautiful flowers that come on the kit or on the box. And so yeah, so that is the cover. Here is the spine. I love these little ghosties, so I just did a little layering here. And then for the back I just added this background page. And so yeah, that is the outside. So let's go ahead and get into this book. So when we open this up, over here on the left side, on the inside cover, we have one of the little bookcase or the library page with the little ghosties doing some reading, and then you can put a picture up there, and then this opens here to the side. And I used the ephemera to decorate some of the pages, and some pink cardstock or blush cardstock to complement with the collection. Then over here I'm adding some of these flowers. Now the flowers are have a lot of volume, so I do like how they make the book really chunky. These flowers are also part of the box, but you can definitely skip on the flowers if you want your pages to lay more flat, but the pages do still lay pretty flat after adding the flowers. So over here this opens up, and then we have one of these kind of like interactive inserts onto the pocket over here, so place for pictures. And then each one of these pages is a sliding page, so it opens to the side, and then it opens up here, place for picture, and again place for a picture right there. And then a sweet image here of 2 little witches reading inside the pumpkin. So cute. Then over here on the back, again with the ghosties, we have an interactive feature here. I wanted this book to be really fun, easy, but also interactive. So you pull this down, and then you put a picture or a couple pictures there, and then that is that page. Over here this page opens to the side, and then these again the beautiful page with the book, some ephemera. Then this opens up here, and then you have a pop-up. You can put a picture here, but I just wanted to decorate a little bit with the ephemera. Place for a picture, and then maybe place for do a little bit of journaling there. And then we have this sliding feature here, and then this one opens up, and then place for pictures in there. And then every page is magnetized here as well. Then over here this opens up and place for pictures, and then this opens, and then we have another pop-up. This one's a little bit larger, and then this one opens up, and then it just pops right to the front. And then on the sides you can add a couple more pictures there as well. Then this opens to the side, and then this is an accordion fold, so it opens like this, and then the whole thing opens like that as well. And then this slides to the side, and it opens up and place for pictures. and then this just magnetizes back in place. The next page is a gatefold page, so this just opens. I love how basically the book here opens up, and then place for a picture, maybe some journaling, and that closes up like that. Over here at the center we have another flower. This also came with a box. This opens like that. Love this page here with the ghosties, and opens and down. So again, journaling or pictures, and then this all opens up like that. And I really like this page here. I think you can actually cut up all of these and use them as ephemera, but I just wanted the whole thing to be kind of like a background. And then on the next page, this one is just a pocket, and I just added the little kitty over here, and I love this image here, but I added some ephemera just to kind of add a little bit more to that page. And then for the back cover, I added these flowers on top of the pumpkin. I know they're a little big, but I just love how they look, and I wanted to use all the flowers. And then here I added this ephemera, and then this opens and opens, and you can put a picture on all these places here, and I left this open there. And so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this book. Again, I'm going to have the link down below to the subscription box or to the class by itself if you're interested on that. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.